Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, now that another week is in the books, figured I'd get the SPY mapped out here as far as the overall markets are concerned. Friendly reminder, the markets are closed on Friday for Christmas, so Merry Christmas on that note. But let's, like I said, get some key levels mapped out here as we head into the weekend. And there are definitely some very well-defined key levels. And it's so annoying. This, print right here is really just distorting everything. So what I'm going to do is, I'll leave it the same just because it is what it is. But the first level, and let me take a step back. These levels that I'm talking about, I'm not trying to come across like I have some sort of special talent or that this is some sort of great discovery. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have noticed these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have going on with these levels. So the first level that a ton of people are going to be watching, every breakout play in their brother's uncle, is right up here at 370. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, and 370 presented a problem, presented a problem, presented a problem. And then even today, poked its head up there, presented a problem. So my point here is that nothing is guaranteed, but that it is more than valid. It's more than rational to think that if the market can get up to 370 and push up through there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, but there's no doubt about it, there are going to be a lot of eyeballs watching that 370 mark, longs and shorts and everybody in between wondering how the price behaves if it gets up to that area. On the flip side of things, the other area that a lot of people are going to be watching is right down here at this 367 area. Same exact logic. Nothing is guaranteed, but it's more than valid to think that if the price were to come down there, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, that break to the downside in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Not guaranteed, but a more than valid thought to be having. So those are definitely going to be those two main levels. If you want to just really simplify it, what's been going on here is basically 30-minute channel pattern. The price is just battling back and forth, and now it's just a question of who's ultimately going to win out. Are the bulls going to win out with a breakout to the upside, or are the bears going to win with a breakout to the downside? That is the big question mark to watch moving forward. So next week's going to be very, very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.